Okay, so let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 1 of chapter number 9, areas of parallelograms and triangles. Though this chapter is has been removed from this academic year, but I feel some concepts you should know, and this session and one more session is only for your concept or information only, but not for examination point of view. So let us start with the first topic, that is planar region. Planar region corresponding to a simple closed figure is the part of the plane enclosed within the boundary of the figure. जैसे ये मेरा स्क्रीन है, स्क्रीन में अगर मैं कोई enclosed फिगर बनाता हूँ, ठीक है, दैट क्लोज्ड फिगर इज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस प्लेन. ये जो मेरा स्क्रीन है, सो दैट इज प्लानर रीजन. ओके, स्क्रीन इज विजिबल.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
fine, fine, fine. Now next topic is area. अभी क्लोज्ड फिगर देख लिया हम लोग. नाउ ये क्लोज्ड फिगर कितना प्लानर रीजन में वो कवर कर रहा है. द मैग्नीट्यूड और मेजर ऑफ प्लानर रीजन enclosed by a closed figure is called the area of that figure. Now based on that area we are going to study some postulate also, some axioms also. Now let us move towards the another topic, that is congruent figures. Two figures, this you have already studied, that two figures are said to be congruent if they have the same shape and the same size. Okay, so let us see two figures A and B. How will you show that these two figures are congruent? कैसे हम लोग शो करेंगे कि ये दो फिगर्स कॉन्ग्रेंट है? क्या करेंगे, एक ट्रेसिंग पेपर लेके एक का जैसे ए का ड्रॉ करके उसको बी के ऊपर सुपर पोस्ट करेंगे. So if they will cover exactly each other, then these two figures are congruent. Okay, so if two figures A and B are congruent, then using a tracing paper you can superpose one figure over the other such that it will cover the other completely. So exactly cover कर रहा है, that means their areas are equal. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
if
sir.
two figures A and B are congruent, they must have equal areas. Now let us see the congruence postulate. If suppose two figures are congruent to each other, if A and B are congruent to each other, then their areas are also equal. But their converse is not equal. If two figures having equal areas need not be congruent. So let us see one example. एक स्क्वायर और रेक्टेंगल का ले रहा हूँ. व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ दिस स्क्वायर?
Sir, 16 centimeter square.
16 centimeter.
What is the area of this rectangle?
Sir, 16 centimeter.
16 centimeter.
क्या ये दोनों
16
congruent है? Whether these two figures are congruent?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Obviously, ये बिल्कुल दिखने में भी शेप सेम नहीं है. So that is why the converse is not true. अगर एरिया इक्वल है तो ये दोनों कॉन्ग्रुएंट होंगे जरूरी नहीं है. ओके, क्योंकि एरिया 16 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर हम लोग को ट्राइंगल में भी मिल सकता है. राइट, नाउ सी वन फिगर, क्लोज्ड फिगर टी. दिस इज अ टी फिगर. ओके, और उसको दो और पार्ट में डिवाइड किए. वन इज पी एंड अनदर इज क्यू. व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ पी प्लस एरिया ऑफ क्यू?
Sir, area of B.
Very good.
Area of P.
Okay. Now, if a planar region formed by a figure T is made up of two non-overlapping planar regions, wait, Jebustin, formed by figures P and Q, then area of T is equals to area of P plus area of Q. Okay. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now we are moving towards one very important concept, figures on the same base and between the same parallels. तो थोड़ा उसका concept देख लो, theory देख लो. Two figures are said to be on the same base and between the same parallels if they have common side taken as the base and the vertices opposite to the common base of each figure lies on a line parallel to the base. So let us see this figure. यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो, ये जो लाइन ए बी है इसको मैं सेम बेस बोल रहा हूँ, और ये दोनों सेम पैरेलल्स हैं, और इसके ऑपोजिट में जो पैरेलल लाइन है उस पे वर्टेक्स सी है और वर्टेक्स डी है. सो ट्राई टू आइडेंटिफाई द ट्राइंगल ए सी बी, or second one is ADB. These two triangles are on the same base, that is AB, and between the same parallels, XY parallel to AB. Are you able to identify?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So कौन कौन से triangles हैं इसमें? Even you can write this trapezium also. A C D B trapezium, because वो भी same base में है और सेम पैरेलल्स के बीच में भी है. बट नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मेंशन अबाउट दिस टू ट्राइंगल्स, दैट इज ट्राइंगल ABC एंड ट्राइंगल ABD आर ऑन द सेम बेस AB and between the same parallels AB and XY. So we'll see one more figure. Try to identify here two figures only. Try to identify on the same base AB. So एक है ABCD, one is ABCD parallelogram and another is ABEF. Okay, so these two parallelograms are on the same base AB and between the same parallels AB and DE. So let us see one more figure. अब इसमें देखो ध्यान से, AB सेम बेस ले रहे हैं तो कौन सा दो फिगर सेम पैरेलल्स के बीच में है?
Sir, trapezium ABCD and trapezium B, sir.
Triangle
A and B, sir.
Okay, fine, very good. Trapezium ABCD and triangle ABN, these two are on the same base AB and between the same parallels AB and DN. So let us see one more figure. इसमें you have to identify a same base AD.
So triangle ACB.
Triangle ABD. Triangle
Triangle AED. Okay, और
Sir,
triangle ABC.
अच्छा
sir,
ठीक है.
quadrilateral.
Okay. Quadrilateral is there and one triangle is there. Can you identify two triangles here?
Yes, sir.
Which one?
Yes, sir. Sir.
ABC
Triangle.
or ADE? What about what is your opinion about these two triangles? Whether they are on the same base?
No, sir.
No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, but they are between the same parallels. Okay, so in figure 4, ABC and ADE, these two triangles are between the same parallels but not in the same base. Okay, same base के लिए, same parallel के लिए we can take, see my cursor, ACED, this trapezium and this triangle. Clear? So if
Yes,
we
sir.
fix base AD, we can have two figures, that is ACED trapezium and AED triangle. So let us see one more figure. In this figure, try to identify. One triangle and one parallelogram is there, but they are not on the same base. इन दोनों का पैरेलल लाइन, सेम पैरेलल लाइन है बट बेस सेम नहीं है. सो इन दिस फिगर
Triangle. The triangle is BPQ and parallelogram is ATBQ.
पैरेललोग्राम का बेस यहाँ पे ए बी है और ट्राइंगल का बेस पी बी है. दैट मीन्स दे आर नॉट ऑन द सेम बेस बट बिटवीन द सेम पैरेलल्स. ओके, विल सी वन मोर फिगर. ट्राई टू आइडेंटिफाई हियर सेम बेस. You identify two parallelograms.
Parallelogram PBCS. Parallelogram AQRD.
But they are between the same parallels but not on the same base.
Same
So
base.
parallelogram ABCD and parallelogram PQRS are between the same parallels and but not on the same base. Okay, you can take any two pair. को एक भी नहीं मिलेगा यहाँ पर. Now we'll see one more figure. What about these two triangles?
Sir, they are on the same base.
But
They are on the same base.
but
Sir, but they are not.
Same
yes,
parallels.
but they are not between the same parallels. Correct? Okay. Now we
Yes.
are going to complete the first exercise. Only first exercise we will do, and few questions we will do from second or third exercise. Only few. इस एक्सरसाइज में फर्स्ट बिट देखो. क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फिगर्स लाई on the same base and between the same parallels. In such a case, write the common base and two parallels. So first question, कोई फिगर है इसमें?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Identify common base and two parallels.
A, B, C, D and triangle DBC.
Okay, fine. And common base is
Sir, DC.
and same parallels, same parallels.
Sir, AB and
AB and DC.
Right, right. So in figure 1, triangle DPC and trapezium ABCD are on the same base DC and between the same parallels DC and AB. Now let us move towards the second figure. What about second figure?
Sir,
SMNR, trapezium, SPQR, parallelogram.
No.
Sir, they lie on the same base but do not lie on the same parallels, sir.
Very good. Not between the same parallels. So हम लोग only you have to identify such figure. So this is not no figure is there. So cross. Now let us move toward the third one. What about the third one? इसको एक काम करते हैं, इसको थोड़ा रोटेट कर लेते हैं. अब देखो, I rotated this one clockwise.
Triangle QRT and the parallelogram SRQP.
SRQP. Okay. Right. So in figure this one, RTQ triangle and parallelogram PQRS are on the same base QR and between the same parallels QR and PS. Okay. So third one is okay. Now what about the fourth one? Fourth one.
So they are between the same parallels but not the same base.
Same base. So that means ये भी cross हो गया. Correct. What about the fifth one?
sir, they are not on the same
No.
base,
एक मिनट. Let me
Sir.
rotate. Let me rotate.
Sir.
अब देखो, उस फिगर को देखो यहाँ पर. आप चेक करो.
So they are on the same base and between same parallels.
Identify two parallelograms.
Sir, quadrilateral APCD and quadrilateral ABQD.
Okay, these are parallelogram actually. So parallelograms ABCD and parallelogram APQD are on the same base AD and between the same parallels AD and BQ. Now the sixth one. What about the sixth one?
They are not on the same base.
Very good. Same parallels but not on the same base. So this is the exercise 9.1. इतना ही क्वेश्चन है इसमें. और now we are moving towards one very important theorem not for examination point of view. I already told you that ये जो है इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए, कंसेप्ट के लिए है. और पिछले साल और नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए ये इंपॉर्टेंट थ्योरम होगा. द थ्योरम इज पैरेललोग्राम्स ऑन द सेम बेस बिटवीन द सेम पैरेलल्स आर इक्वल इन एरिया. सो एक बार फिगर देख लो. यहाँ पे दो पैरेललोग्राम बताओ on the same base AB.
Sir, parallelogram
Okay. Parallelogram ABCD and parallelogram ABEF. Clear? अब हम लोग को ये दोनों का एरिया इक्वल प्रूफ करना है. तो सबसे पहले व्हाट इज गिवन दैट आई एम गोइंग टू राइट. टू पैरेललोग्राम्स ABCD and ABEF on the same base AB and between the same parallels AB and FC. What we have to show, the area of these two parallelograms are equal. इसमें कुछ भी कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं है. बस मैं क्या करूंगा, ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स को पहले कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूफ करूंगा. See these two triangles. What about these two angles, angle D or angle C?
Corresponding angles.
corresponding
Okay,
angles.
they are equal because corresponding angle. What about these two angles, F or E?
Sir,
Corresponding angles.
Corresponding angles. Okay. What about AD or BC?
Opposite sides of parallelogram.
Okay, ABCD. Right, fine. So I'm going to take these three parts. First of all, AD is equals to BC. Reason is opposite sides of parallelogram. And the second one is angle ADF is equals to angle BCE. These angles, corresponding angles. And the third one is AFD is equals to BEC. These two angles, जिसको मैं F और E से denote कर रहा था. Corresponding angles. Now these two triangles are congruent. By which criteria?
sir, AA is criteria.
AA is criteria.
Right.
And on the side.
AAS congruence rule. So if these two triangles are congruent, their areas are also equal. Why? Because congruent figures have equal areas. यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what
Yes,
you
sir.
will get if you add these two? Yellow and white.
So trapezium.
Yellow, white. If you add these two
Sir,
areas,
a parallelogram.
yes,
Parallel.
you will get parallelogram ABCD. So next step में देखो, parallelogram ABCD can be written as the sum of these two area. This step is clear.
Yes, sir.
In place of ADF, we can write BCE. Now what you are getting if you add these two?
Sir, parallelogram.
Parallelogram AF
Yes,
EB.
parallelogram ABEF. That means these two areas are equal. ये था proof. किसी को कोई doubt है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll move towards one very important theorem. Next theorem: two triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. देखो AD और BC parallel lines है. ABC और DBC both triangles are on the same base BC and between the same parallels. So their areas are equal. That we have to show. तो सबसे पहले जो दिया उसको लिख लिए. Two triangles ABC and DBC are on the same base BC and between the same parallels BC and AD. What we have to show that these two areas are equal. Area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle DBC. इसमें हम लोग एक छोटा सा कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे. हम लोग C से पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. CE पैरेलल टू BA और CF पैरेलल टू BD. फिर ये एक्सटेंडेड लाइन जो होगा that will intersect at point E and F. Whether this construction is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. अभी प्रूफ के लिए ध्यान से देखो. CE पैरेलल टू BA by construction and AE parallel to BC. So this will imply BCEA is a parallelogram. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes,
opposite
sir.
sides are parallel.
Yes, sir.
Next one, CF parallel to BD and DF parallel to BC. So this will imply BCFD is a parallelogram. And both parallelogram are on the same base BC and between the same parallel, that is AF and BC. Just now we have studied that the parallelograms on the same base between the same parallels are equal in area. That means ये दोनों का area equal है. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
let
sir.
it be equation number 1. Now AC is a diagonal of this parallelogram, and we know that diagonal divides parallelogram into two congruent triangles, or we can say two triangles of equal areas. So triangle ABC जो है वो पूरा parallelogram का half हो जाएगा. Let it be equation number 2. Whether this equation is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Similarly,
Yes, sir.
DC जो है, DC is a diagonal of this parallelogram. See my cursor. DC is a diagonal of this parallelogram. So area of triangle DBC is half of this parallelogram. Let it be equation number 3. अब ये दोनों इक्वेशन, तीनों इक्वेशन को हम लोग इक्वेट करेंगे. ये दोनों पैरेललोग्राम इक्वल है. दैट मीन्स फ्रॉम 1 to 3 we conclude that these two areas are also equal. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now ये थ्योरम को हम लोग दूसरे तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं. ध्यान से देखो, यहां से मैं एक ऑल्टीट्यूड ड्रॉ कर दिया और यहां से एक ऑल्टीट्यूड ड्रॉ कर दिया. और एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल, द फॉर्मूला यू नो, हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. सो ए बी सी का हो जाएगा हाफ इंटू बेस बी सी, और ये मान लो ए एल है, ए एल, और यहाँ से डी एम ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. सो हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू डी एम, एंड वी नो दैट द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू पैरेलल लाइन्स आर इक्वल. सो दोनों का एरिया हम लोग वैसा भी प्रूव कर सकते हैं. ओके, एनी हाउ एग्जाम में नहीं आ रहा है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सो वील मूव टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी, that if a triangle and a parallelogram are on the same base and between the same parallels, then the area of the triangle is equal to the half of the area of the parallelogram. देखो यहाँ पे ट्राइंगल ए बी सी और ट्राइंगल ई बी सी डी, दिस टू पैरेललोग्राम, ये ट्राइंगल और ये पैरेललोग्राम दोनों सेम बेस पे है और बिटवीन द सेम पैरेलल्स. वो गिवन में लिखना है, लिख दिए. Now what we have to show that according to the theorem property, ये जो एरिया है ट्राइंगल का वो पैरेललोग्राम का हाफ है. ये जो प्रूफ करना समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
ओके, अब इसमें कंस्ट्रक्शन हम लोग करेंगे. ध्यान से देखो, यहां से हम लोग परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके, यहां से ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. So AL perpendicular to BC, DM perpendicular to BC, which intersect produced in M. Construction is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just now I told you that the perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines will remain same. So that means since BC is parallel to AD, AL is equals to DM. AL और DM जो है वो perpendicular distance है ये दोनों parallel lines के. ये समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
what is the area of triangle ABC? Half into base. What is height?
AL.
AL.
A.
So area of triangle ABC is equals to half into base into height. Now in place of AL, what we can write?
90
DM.
degrees.
DM, 90 degree नहीं. In place of AL, we can write DM. Why? Because these two are equal. Now what is BC and DM? देखो BC जो है वो ये पैरेललोग्राम का बेस है और DM जो है वो पैरेललोग्राम का हाइट है. 8th क्लास में तुम लोग पढ़े हो, all of you have studied that area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. So we can write area of parallelogram in place of BC into DM. Why? Because area of parallelogram BCDE is equals to BC into DM. So ये प्रूफ हो गया. किसी को कोई डाउट है?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now we are moving towards the last property of today's session, that is a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. So पहले एक triangle और median draw कर लेते हैं. ABC is a triangle and AD is the median. Okay, AD is the median, and we have to show that the area of these two triangles are equal. तो उसके लिए हम लोग इसमें कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे. यहाँ से एक परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. पहले हम लोग गिवन लिख लेते हैं, a triangle ABC in which AD is a median. And what we have to show that the area of these two triangles are equal. Construction, we have to draw AL perpendicular to BC. Construction clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now D is the midpoint of BC. Why?
Sir, because AD is the median of this triangle, sir.
Okay, very good. So since D is the midpoint of BC, we have BD is equals to DC. अब हम लोग एक काम करेंगे, BD is equals to DC मिल गया. Okay. What is the area of this triangle ABD? जल्दी. What is the area of triangle ABD?
Sir, half into
Basically,
Right. Half into BD into AL. What is the area of this triangle ADC?
sir, half into DC
Yes. हाफ इंटू DC इंटू AL. राइट. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, दोनों साइड में हाफ इंटू AL मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ये हाफ हाफ और AL मल्टीप्लाई कर दिए. क्लियर है ये?
yes, sir.
Sir.
So
Yes,
this will become area of triangle ABD and this will become area of triangle ADC. Clear? So hence a median of triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
This is
sir.
very important
Yes, sir.
property. This is very important property. क्योंकि बहुत हायर क्लासेस में भी कभी कभी हम लोग को यूज करना पड़ सकता है ये. नाउ दिस इज द लास्ट सेशन, लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ टुडे सेशन. नाउ विल मूव टुवर्ड्स असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चंस. ओनली यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई वेदर विच फिगर लाई ऑन द सेम बेस एंड बिटवीन द सेम पैरेलल्स. और जो मिल रहा है उसमें कॉमन बेस और पैरेलल लाइंस भी लिखना है along with figure. So very easy question. Okay, clear? Question is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you have to write in your notebook also, only for information purpose, not for examination point of view. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much. So आज के क्लास में किसी को कोई डाउट है?
No, sir. No.
मैं फिर से ये
No, sir.
अपलोड करूंगा. वीडियो प्रोसेस होने के बाद आई विल अपलोड today's class also, and again you go through that video, and for better understanding, once again I want to tell you that this chapter has been deleted. This session and one more session is purely for information and concept only, not for examination point of view. Okay.
Okay, sir.